In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Civil 3D Surface. By the end, you'll have a clean, portable LandXML file that you can share with consultants, contractors, or bring into other software with confidence. First, open your drawing and make sure the surface you want to export is visible on screen. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct surface and that it displays the area you intend to deliver. This quick check helps avoid exporting the wrong object or an outdated version. If your drawing contains multiple surfaces, note the exact name of the one you plan to export so there's no confusion later. Next, go to Toolspace and switch to the Prospector tab. Prospector is your organized list of model data, and it's where Civil 3D groups items like points, alignments, and surfaces. Expand the surfaces collection to see all surfaces in the drawing. You should see the same surface name you verified a moment ago. This list view is a reliable way to select the intended surface without hunting around in the model. Right-click the surface name and choose Export LandXML. LandXML is a widely used open format designed for exchanging civil engineering data across different platforms. It captures the essential definition of your surface in a way that other programs can read, making collaboration smoother and reducing compatibility issues. Using this command ensures you're exporting the actual surface model, not just a visual representation. When the export options appear, select Surface Data Only, then click OK. This keeps the export focused and removes unrelated items, which helps reduce file size and prevents sending extra design data you don't need to share. Surface Data Only is ideal when your goal is to deliver a clean surface for grading, quantity checks, machine control prep, or reference in another project. It preserves the core triangulation and elevation information that downstream users rely on. Finally, give the file a clear, descriptive name and choose a safe location to save it. Include helpful details like the project identifier, surface name, and date, so anyone who receives the file can understand exactly what it contains. Saving to your project's standard folder keeps everything organized and makes it easy to find later. That's it. You've exported your Civil 3D surface as a LandXML file that's ready to share or reference in other software. A quick recap: confirm the surface is visible, locate it in Prospector under Surfaces, right-click to export LandXML, choose Surface Data Only, and then name and save the file. Thanks for watching and happy drafting.